severe thunderstorm warning for western Moore County and central North Carolina, Montgomery County and central North Carolina, southern Randolph County and central North Carolina, southeastern Stanley County and central North Carolina, until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Troy, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Troy, North Carolina Zoo, Baden Lake, Biscoe, Seagrove, Norwood, Baden, Mount Gilead, Robbins, and Foxfire. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. The following is